Hi sewing lovers, today we will learn how to make a undershirt or a chemise or a slip for ladies. So I have this kameez or dress. For that I have to make a chemise or undershirt. For this project you need 2 meter fabric, and see, I just fold it in 4 layers. I will explain each and everything how you can make a perfect undershirt, so it will be not visible from your sides of your shirt. So first thing is we are going to trace our this actual shirt. We are not using here any pattern, we are using exactly that shirt which required this undershirt. So here see, from here the shoulder lines, I just fold my shoulders and I will trace it exactly shoulders, and then the this lines, and then obviously we need here a deep neck. So for example, if your shirt neck is 5 or 6 inches, you have to make your undershirt neckline like 7 or 8 inches. So here, see, this is the opening of my slit or chokes. So here almost 2 or 3 inches above I have to close my chokes or my slits. So see, that's how it will be not visible from the side. And then when you move further, this line should be should go the inside of your shirt, means the hemline of your this undershirt be less than your actual shirt size. So that's why I'm just marking it exactly, and I will not add here any seam allowance, so that when I will fold it will become less than my actual hemline. Hope you understand this point. And just cut it here. The length I take it almost 7-inch less. You can take it 5-inch less as well. So after cutting neckline, I just take this piece of fabric, and according to that 1 inch wide this piece, and then just attach it. Now I'm just marking here small notches, so that when I will turn it, it will easily turn because it's a round shape. Now pressing is very important. At this point I'm just folding my fabric and press it, and then go to the machine. So in this way you will get a very neat neckline. Now I just stitch the shoulder line. Now it's time to stitch the side lines. At the waistline I just turn it like this, and this is my hip line. So after hip line I'm just going to fold it like this way. If you feel anything is extra, you can trim a little bit and then fold it again to make your slits. And just see, both side I just did the same thing. And here just turn your machine something like this to achieve a perfect corners of your this slits. So this is very easy. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, you can check my playlist for absolute beginner course, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. So now it's time to attach the sleeves. For sleeves, again we will trace exactly our this undershirt on our sleeve for armhole, and then we will see how much the width of our sleeve we require from the hemline, and then just mark it and stitch the line. And now my undershirt is on the wrong side and my sleeve is on the right side. Just remove your this free arm on your machine and stitch it this round. So here is our final look of our undershirt. Hope you like